Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about achievement. Number 1. Achievement means reaching a goal. Number 2. It is the result of hard work. Number 3. Achievements can be big or small. Number 4. Setting goals helps in achieving success. Number 5. Achievements can inspire others. Number 6. Achievements show progress and growth. Number 7. Celebrating achievements is important. Number 8. Achievements can improve confidence. Number 9. Achievements can lead to new opportunities. Number 10. Every achievement, big or small, is valuable. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.